What's the best oral appliance for snoring and sleep apnea? What's the best automobile? Would you like a Porsche, an SUV, a truck? They all have different purposes, don't they? As you observe this long list, and this is just a piecemeal sample of the overall appliances that are available for placement in the mouth to reduce or eliminate snoring, there is not a best overall device. There are some that are more popular than others. There are some that are larger or smaller. There are some that are easier to use. There are some that are more expensive than others. Only you can decide by observing the patient, their physiologic condition, their financial condition, their psychologic condition. Only you can decide what's going to be the best. They have a big tongue. Are they an alcoholic with tissue collapsed all upon itself? Are they obese? There's so many things that are different that relate to which is the best overall device for a specific condition. I can't tell you. You're looking at a few of the many that are available on the market. I would suggest you take a course in sleep medicine, and particularly in dental sleep medicine, and start with some of the more simple devices and move on to the more complex ones. For continuing information from us, please go to our website, pccdental.com. There are constantly changing informational and educational pieces there that we would love to have you see.